Put on clothes. In spoken Cantonese.
着衫，着衫，
Put on clothes. In written Chinese.
穿衣服，穿衣服，
Red trousers.
紅色褲，
Red trousers.
紅色褲，
Blue shorts.
藍色短褲，
Blue shorts.
藍色短褲，
Blue shoes.
藍色鞋，
Blue shoes.
藍色鞋，
Yellow socks.
黃色襪，
Yellow socks.
黃色襪，
Yellow jumper. In spoken Cantonese.
黃色冷衫，黃色冷衫，
Yellow jumper. In written Chinese.
黃色毛衣，黃色毛衣，
Has or have.
有，
Has or have.
有，
Mum has blue shoes.
媽媽有一對藍色鞋，
Mum has blue shoes.
媽媽有一對藍色鞋，
Mum has yellow socks.
媽媽有一對黃色襪，
Mum has yellow socks.
媽媽有一對黃色襪。
This. In spoken Cantonese.
呢個，呢個，
This. In written Chinese.
這，這，
That. In spoken Cantonese.
嗰個，嗰個，
That. In written Chinese.
那，那，
Can.
可以，
Can.
可以，
Big.
大，
Big.
大，
Small. In spoken Cantonese.
細，細，
Small. In written Chinese.
小，小，
Too big.
太大，
Too big.
太大，
Too small. In spoken Cantonese.
太細，太細，
Too small. In written Chinese.
太少，太少，
Small size.
小碼，
Small size.
小碼，
Large size.
大碼，
Large size.
大碼，
This is too big. In spoken Cantonese.
呢個太大，呢個太大，
This is too big. In written Chinese.
這個太大，這個太大，
Can I have a small size? In spoken Cantonese.
唔該俾我件細碼，唔該俾我件細碼，
Can I have a small size? In written Chinese.
請給我一件小碼，請給我一件小碼。
Thank you for watching this video. For more learning resources, please go to our website www.Super.Speak.Juniors.com. Thank you. Bye.